Today we have an unboxing. It is the NINER RLT 9. This is the 2-star edition 2023. Specs on this bike: it's a NINER aluminum frame, full carbon NINER RDO 4, integrated NINER headset. Components are SRAM Apex 1 11-speed, it's a 1x system, pristine PF30 bottom bracket, SRAM chain, cassette, SRAM Apex 1 flat mount brakes, 160mm rotors, Eastern handlebar, NINER stem, and new for 2023 we have the color scheme azure blue with gold accents. Let's open it. As of September 2023 from Jenson USA, this bike is available 30% off, retailing it at about $1,800 US. Pretty minimal packing, especially compared to some other bikes I've been used to, some of the Chinese brand bikes. New bike day. Here she is out of the box, almost ready to go. Looks like handlebars just need adjusting, seat installed, and the front wheel. Put some pedals on, be ready to go. (11-42) cassette on the back, SRAM Apex double tap shifting,